Hello. Today, let's talk about how to maximize electricity saving in everyday routine and life using a balcony power plant system. Such a system is really nice because it is able to get us save a lot of money and do a good thing for the nature. A balcony solar power system is a small photovoltaic system for generating electrical power. It consists of one or more solar models, an inverter, a low voltage connection cable, and a plug to connect it to a final circuit in the network of an end consumer like us. Maximum power saving in everyday life comes with performance. We use the solar power directly by running large appliances such as the washing machine and the dishwasher during the day. This is how we reduce our grid power consumption as well. And of course, if the sun is shining, our electrical power, balcony power plant is generating energy for us. And if we are going to use this directly, this is the best way for performance to save energy. Because if we produce our own energy and use our own energy, we do not have to use the electrical power out of the power plants which are delivers as from the city, for example. This is the best thing. Performance means use it directly, baby. Because the power plant of ourselves is the best energy which we can handle. And then the second thing is, of course, the size and the weight. We position our balcony power plant so that it gets the largest sunrise. The mounting system helps us to find the optimal angle too. That means we have to look. The best area of the balcony power plant is with a direction to the south. The second thing is west or east, but the north direction you should not support it. Then, of course, the angle. The angle should be from 15 up to 30 degrees. Then you are with the size and the weight on the right side for a good harvesting of our balcony power plant. Oh yeah. One of a good idea continuously is gardening with solar energy. We use the electric garden tools during the day and use the electricity of our solar system for gardening processing. That means no food consumption is necessary in a gardening tool. We can use electrical parts of it for a nice and safe solar powered garden experience. As well, we can use nearly all kind of tools, not only the gardening tools, to operate via batteries or something else. So it's solar powered, which is generated and used there. Then proper cooking and baking. We use lids while we're cooking and avoid preheating the oven when it's not necessary. If we use kettles, be sure to only heat as much of water as we need, saving electricity too. And we have to identify power eaters. Energetic scavengers hunt can help identify the biggest power eaters in-house. We examine devices for their energy requirements, like next-gen consoles, big flat screens, old refrigerators, or freezers, or something else. So then we can save energy and we can use our own energy as well. And of course, we should make an energy conscious behavior. Sensitive all household members for a conscious use of the energy. Small behaviors change can have a big impact. And we can easy peasy change all our lights at home, from Edison bulbs to an LED source. This is much more power saving, and this is good for all out there. With these advices, we will bring our goal of creating an energy autonomous and environmentally friendly home a big step forward. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.